Morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy skies across the region this morning, seeing a southerly breeze as well. Should see those winds start to turn out of the southwest here in the next hour or two, and that'll allow our temperatures to jump up into the lower 70s. We do see these southerly breezes continue throughout the day. We'll be capped in the mid to upper 60s. Betting on that wind to switch out of the southwest briefly for later this morning. The afternoons allow for our temperatures to warm up in the lower 70s. As far as chances of precipitation and lightning today, we have no chance with our winds gusting near 23, 24 knots later this afternoon, so a slight chance of a wind advisory later today, but overall for the work hours should be, in general, good conditions with tranquil weather in store across the region. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, across the region. High pressure starting to ridge off the southeast coast. That's going to allow us to see some warmer conditions across the region for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, before we see a cold front move through on Thursday, giving us some cooler conditions, especially in the afternoon hours. We'll see a weak trough move through the region later tonight. That's going to allow us to see an increase in our cloud cover later this evening, but not going to see much in the way of precipitation. If we do see anything from this, it'll just be a few sprinkles, and most likely that will not occur across the region. Our next big weather maker, as I mentioned, is a cold front that's going to be moving through the region on Thursday, currently across the Plain States. So looking at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that weakening trough across the Tennessee Valley into the Ohio Valley. It's going to be moving towards our region for the overnight hours. That's just going to give us the increase of cloud cover. But overall for today, seeing mostly sunny skies, some slightly breezy winds out of the south to southwest, as well as some more mild conditions across the region. As I mentioned, temperatures expected in the lower 70s. So for the HRRR model for today, you can see in general mostly sunny skies. That disturbance starts to approach the region, increasing our cloud cover right around midnight, and possibly seeing a brief sprinkle. Best chance of that looks to be north of our area for the overnight hours. If we do see that across the peninsula, it would only be brief and just a few sprinkles. As we move into our Tuesday, we'll see warmer air mass in the region. That's going to give us anywhere from partly cloudy skies and mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Will be a bit breezier for Tuesday, so it looks like a wind advisory is going to be likely across the region, especially in the afternoon hours. But we'll see temperatures warmer on our Tuesday with highs in the upper 70s, expecting lower 80s inland. And for our Wednesday, we'll see a trough start to move towards the region in association with an upper level disturbance that's going to possibly give us some showers in the afternoon hours. See the HRRR here has a large area of rainfall off to our west. This looks to be overdone on this high ridge model, but overall we'll see in general more cloudiness for Wednesday, as well as that slight chance of a shower moving through the afternoon hours. Taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, you can see that ridge of high pressure builds off the coast, allowing us to see those warm temperatures, especially for Tuesday. Wednesday, continue to see mild conditions across the region with temperatures in the 70s. And we'll see that lee disturbance possibly giving us that shower Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday, cold front moves through during the morning hours. We'll see some rainfall with a weak area low pressure moving along that cold front for Thursday afternoon. Right now, this is our next best chance of seeing any accumulating rainfall across the region, and hopefully we do see this as we are continuing to see drought conditions across the area. Right now it continues to back off on our total precipitation across the models across the board, so hopefully this turns the other way and we'll see more rainfall in store for Thursday, but right now it looks like possibly under a quarter inch of rainfall for our Thursday. And moving into our Friday, we'll see another area of high pressure build in, a nice spring day across the region. Looks like temperatures will be in the 60s for Friday. And then for our Saturday, we'll have another weak cold front move north of the region with a disturbance, and that's just going to give us, in general, dry conditions with temperatures moderating for Saturday and as well into Sunday, with possibly seeing some more rainfall move in for early next week. Looking at our wrist chart for today, high today of 72, low tonight of only 60. We'll see the southerly to southwesterly winds today and peaking this afternoon, the evening hours after 1600 local until about 2200 local, with a south wind at 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots, and with that, with the yellow condition for our winds here. Then overnight, winds turn back more to the southwesterly component and gusting around 20 knots. our terminal forecast VFR conditions the next 24 hours with lots of sunshine in store for today. We'll see some filtered sunshine tomorrow morning with some cirrus cloudiness building in. Our tides are running normal currently, and looking at Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy, breezy and warm, a high of 78 degrees. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and breezy early, very slight chance of low clouds overnight, low of 59. And for Wednesday, mostly cloudy, overcast, breezy and warm with a slight chance of an afternoon light rain shower, high of 74 degrees. Orange conditions for our winds across the board for Tuesday through Wednesday. And we'll see the warmest day on Tuesday at 78. But overall, those wind advisory type conditions here with the orange color would most likely happen Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening, a break into the overnight hours of Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then once again Wednesday afternoon, late morning into Wednesday afternoon, we'll see that possibility of winds advisory once again. As I mentioned, this yellow here for our slight chance of rainfall looks like only 20% on Wednesday, as most models do have that system moving northwest of our area with only that slight chance of a sprinkle or a light rain shower Wednesday afternoon. And look at the next 7 days, we'll see those mild to warm conditions today and Tuesday, continuing with that warm trend on Wednesday at 74 degrees. And then into Thursday, going with a high right now of 65 during the morning, temperatures falling in the afternoon, with temperatures expected to be in the 50s for the afternoon on Thursday with rain showers in the region. As I mentioned, looks like continuing to decrease in the amount of precipitation with this system on our Thursday, with only looks like about a less than a quarter of an inch of rainfall. We'll continue to monitor this. Hopefully it does increase with the rainfall as we are in that drought condition across the area. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, seeing those temperatures start to moderate towards the weekend, upper 60s to lower 70s on the weekend. And for Mother's Day, looks like a nice day in store, partly cloudy skies, highs in the lower 70s. So it looks like a good weekend with dry conditions continuing for this weekend coming up. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15, 10 a.m.